In this video, I will show you how to master Mage space to create stunning artificial intelligence art without needing any expensive hardware. This platform is incredibly powerful because it gives you access to the Stable Diffusion ecosystem directly through your web browser. To get started, you simply visit the website, and you will see a clean search bar where you can type your first prompt. One of the best tips I can give you is to be specific with your descriptions. Instead of just typing a cat, try typing a cinematic portrait of a majestic forest cat with glowing eyes. Once you hit enter, the magic happens and the AI begins to render your vision into reality. If you want more control, you can click on the user interface settings to adjust the aspect ratio or select different specialized models. Many people do not realize that you can also use negative prompts to tell the AI exactly what you do not want to see, such as blurry textures or distorted limbs. This helps refine your results significantly. As you explore the platform, you will notice that you can upscale your favorite images to make them high resolution for printing or sharing. Whether you are a professional designer or just someone playing around with new technology, this tool offers endless creative possibilities.